This is part 3 of tutorial number 1 for the drafting class. So far I have 2 holes in here, but I need a third one. Not quite sure where my reference is, so if I hit Control D, it will default reference me, and I want to work up here. So this time for doing a hole, I'm actually going to use the hole tool up here. So I'm going to click on hole, and I'll obviously need a surface to work on, so I'm going to click on that surface, and there's my hole. Now what I need to do is align things up. So I'm going to drag these handles here, and I'm going to line this one to this plane, and I'm going to line this one to that plane. What it does is puts me off to there. Now the problem is it's not in the right spot, so we got to work at this a little bit. So first off, if I hit placement, okay, down here offset references, what I'm going to do is under offset, I'm going to hit align. And on this offset, I'm going to hit align as well, and it puts me in the center now. Now I could have just put 0 and 0 here, but I wanted to use align, so I'm dead on. Okay, I'm just going to get rid of that by clicking on it. Up here, it's automatically set to 8, just by fluke. I mean, if I want to change it right now, I could sit there and put 11, and it just gets bigger. But we'll put it back to 8. And here again, I'm going to go to the through surfaces. And now when you look, and I drag it, you can see that it's all the way through, and basically all I need to do now is click accept, and that's the last hole. So now you can see I've got all 3 holes in there, they all go through. So that is the third step in making all the holes in this, and that is the end of this tutorial.